Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the key fob battery in Lexus UX. First of all, you have to locate this button on the side. It says push it and remove the physical key. Then you will see a small slot inside where you have to put the key like this and then press and twist. This will open this cover. Now you need to pry the battery on the side. And it will come out. When you remove the battery, make sure not to accidentally damage this spring contact underneath. We will insert the new battery. The size is CR2032. Push it in, and the plus should be on top. Now you can assemble the fob. Simply push it in all the way, and as you can see, it works. Now I'm going to insert the physical key back inside, and our replacement is complete.